Hey guys, Scott Gross here with Buffalo Roofing and Exteriors. I'm one of the owners here at Buffalo, and we're located right off of Ogden, right next to the Caliber Collision off of Kendall Point Drive. And in the afternoon, we experienced baseball-sized hail that came down from the sky, and of course it damaged a lot of our vehicles in the parking lot and damaged a lot of roofs in our area, as well as Montgomery and Aurora and even North Naperville. Well, what's going to happen, if it hasn't already happened, is you're going to start getting phone calls, you're going to start getting some door knocks from people that we call them storm chasers that are going to flood into the area. And basically what they're going to do is they're going to target homeowners that may or may not have damage to the roof. And they're going to make all these promises. They're going to try to bully you into signing forms saying that they will work with your insurance companies and that they have all of the necessary coverages in terms of insurance to go up on the roof. And, a lot of these people from out of town, a lot of these people are from the Rockford area, all the way up into South Beloit, into Wisconsin. I've seen trucks that have Missouri plates on it, Florida plates, Georgia plates. We have not had a storm like this since 2019, and as a result of that, Chicagoland is going to be flooded with a lot of these storm chasers. And so, we are locally owned and operated. We're right here in Oswego, and whether storms happen or not, we are here to serve the community and the public. We have our staff we have licensed public adjusters on our staff that are here to help facilitate the insurance process and be your advocate, and to work for you with your insurance companies and sometimes against your insurance companies to persuade them to pay for damages and to hold them accountable to the insuring agreement of the policy. And so, with that said, folks, when you get that door knock or you get that phone call, the very first thing you probably should do is contact your insurance agent and someone that you've entrusted with your policies and get their advice. A lot of these insurance agents, especially locally, in Oswego, they work with companies like ours and reputable companies that you can trust. The other thing that you should do is Google, go online and see how long they've been in business and see how many reviews, that they have up on their website and get some references. The next thing that you should do is to ask them, if you're talking to them at the door or on the phone, ask them to produce a copy. We call it a COI, or it's a certificate of insurance, showing all of their coverages. And should have their name as the company. So, for example, it would have Buffalo Roofing and Exteriors. And then you would have the general liability limits, and then you're also going to have their workers' compensation coverage. Now, there are a lot of companies, even locally owned, even companies that within a stone's throw of our location that do not have workers' compensation coverages. What they do is they rely on their subcontractors because they do the work. To provide them with their certificate of insurance, that they have workers' compensation coverage, but it's just as important that they have the coverage themselves, because with that said, if they have one of their employees or one of their contractors that get up on the roof and they inspect your roof and they fall off of your roof and they do not have workers' compensation coverage, they become your employee, and that employee can sue you. Even though you're going up on their roof, it's property coverage. And if they don't have the necessary workers' compensation coverage, you should kindly ask them to leave your property. If not, call the police on them. So, it is very, very, very important, folks, to protect yourself during this time. There are lots of reputable contractors, such as Buffalo Roofing and Exteriors, that you should call and visit our website, and we'd be happy to come out and provide you with a free property inspection. We do a 120-point inspection. We don't just cover the roof. We also look at all of your window wraps. We look at your soffits, your fascia, your gutters, your downspouts, your siding. We do everything on the exterior of the home, and we take storms head on for you. We do all the heavy lifting for you, and we would be more than happy to provide you with a detailed report showing the damages, and then at that point we can make a decision whether or not you have enough damage to file an insurance claim. That's the difference between us and a lot of these storm chasers out there. The storm chasers are trained to come out here and to file a claim on any and all property inspections. They will do what they can to file the claim because they know that the insurance companies pay more. They know that you only have to pay the deductible, and they make more money if you file a claim. Buffalo Roofing and Exteriors, we work for you as the homeowner. If you don't have enough damage to file a claim, we are not going to talk you into filing a claim. We will give you an estimate to repair the damages and then prevent you from filing a claim unnecessarily, which can raise your rates, if you do it the wrong way. So with that said, give us a call, 630-277-7244, and visit our website, www.buffalo-roofing.com, and we'd be more than happy to come out. We'll have one of our field representatives come out, do a free inspection for you, put together that report, and then give you the peace of mind that you deserve. Again, Scott Gross, I'm one of the owners here at Buffalo Roofing and Exteriors, and we are very proud to serve this community, and we are a contractor that you can trust. Have a great day. Hope to hear from you soon.